Okay, hi everyone. My name is Morris. I've been teaching Python for some time already. I'm using Python for almost the last 18 or 15 to 18 years. I've been thinking for a while recently and decided to do this video series called 10 Minutes Python. Essentially, I'm trying to cut down the chunk of Python programming into at most 10 minutes video each. So it's a kind of a short tutorial series as I go along. Okay, so this is I'm just using this video as a launching. Okay, so let me just go and describe a little bit about myself since I have a little bit of time here. So let's see. Okay, so you can actually see that this is my YouTube playlist. So all the videos will be inside this YouTube playlist. Okay, so you can actually go to YouTube/user/Morris. You don't have to go to playlist. You can actually see my playlist. Okay, so please feel free to subscribe. Subscribers anyway. The next thing is I'm going to show you a little bit more about myself. So this is my website. You can go to Morris Ling, MAURICELING, .github.io. So this is my web page itself. Let me kind of drag this up. Okay, so you can actually use GitHub Wiki as your own web page. So I've graduated in fact, 10 years, exactly 10 years ago, okay, from University of Melbourne with a doctorate in bioinformatics. I also did my undergraduate there and did my computing degree through distance learning. Okay, so from here you can go and look all my different stuff. Over time, I will hopefully post the whole set of links for 10 minutes Python here. Okay, so this is just a very short introduction of myself. If you're really interested about me, you can go and look at my CV, my projects, and so on. This is a CV that I apply jobs for with. Okay, you can even go to my LinkedIn profile if you want to. So just drop in. So this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, it takes a little while to load, and yes, you can go and look through a bit about myself. Okay. So essentially that's all for today. Hopefully over today or tomorrow, I'll start to post videos on this 10 minutes Python series. And of course, this is an experimental a trial run, and I do hope to get comments how I can do it better. Okay, so please give me comments how I can do it better or areas that I may have left out. So also please tell me, I'll kind of top it up along the way. All right, that's all for now. Thank you very much.